Okay, so hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from TechFanciers. This is kind of a gaming review or performance review of Android 12. So, I guess this is Android 12 developer preview 3 or public beta PB3. Sorry, it is public beta 3. It is ported for MIA2 by Alok Raj, and this is from Pixel 3. Okay, it's currently having a September 5th security patch, and the review video is coming. However, what thought to do is just will make one separate dedicated video for gaming, especially as it has some dedicated gaming mode. From Android 12, we have gaming dashboard feature which I have enabled now. So whenever you opened the game, it will just give you the what not layout, or it's yeah, it's a like layout. Okay, so first for that I have have installed two games, which is Battleground India and Genshin Impact. So I also have run Geekbench earlier. If you want, you can check it. It's already, we can check the history. So yeah, the thing is, it is less when compared to other Android 11 or 10 ROMs. But as far as my concern, it is actually good build public beta, public beta 5 or something, PB 5. Okay, so this is a version. Here you can see the version. So here first we'll start with the PUBG. The best thing about Android 12 is you have the inbuilt frame counter in the game. What in the gaming dashboard, here you can see, even you can do the live stream directly from your mobile through the this one. So here you can you have the option to record the session if you want. I believe you even so you can take a screenshot, or you can even enable the do not disturb. It is not a fully featured futuristic, but whichever they have given, it is actually usable. And it's pretty much easy to make the things. So first I will open the Battleground India. So I believe you guys are. This is definitely for the users um, who have MI A2. So if you are having some other device, I'm not sure whether which does it will fit for you. But why I'm making this video is, you can compare it with your current ROM, whichever you are using. Based on that, you can work accordingly. Okay. So this is also movable. I will just keep it in the left side. Um, it seems fine. We are getting solid 20 plus FPS, but what I do is I will just go to the settings. I will just set the frame to high. Still the same 25 FPS. I need about 30 so that it will get smoother. We didn't get a ultra frame rate. The highest frame rate itself is high only. Even in the smooth settings, it is not giving the very high frame rates. So that is fine. We'll start with the low frame rate. One by one, we'll go. Not going to drag this video for much time. Just will make it as quick as possible.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world.
Okay, the gameplay is going 30,
Please play in moderation.
but not sure if it is locked 30 FPS. It is 28, 30, such like that it is going. So once we get into the game, we'll just try to increase the settings. Currently it is in low and high frame rate. Currently it is in smooth and high frame rate. This entire thing is fine, but whenever the enemy comes, no, whenever the high pressure situations, that time only this thing doesn't just to give some frame skips. At the end, we will be in the dead. Okay, so yeah, I'll just unfollow and jump. Okay. The frame is solid 28, 29, 30. Now 25, 26, 27. Okay, again it is getting recover. So in few moments it is just getting less frames like these situations and all. So still now the gameplay is fine. It is solid 30 FPS. You can use some mod or something, GFX tool or something, but I'm not using those. Aha, where I can go? I will just die. See, this is the situation. You can see that the frame is just getting reduced, right? So whenever the enemy is coming, no, that time only it will suddenly that frame will get reduced. So that's why I'm just going to the enemy. So now I will try to increase the settings. So as of now, the smooth and high frame rate is fine. We'll just switch to balance. Okay. So the balance settings is like still 30 it's showing, but yeah, lot of glitches. I don't know, I'm just having a long range gun and people are near me, so I will take someone is very close to very close. Somebody is there. I just shot on a team member, so their teammates are searching for me. So what I can do now? Moment. Okay. So it is good gameplay and it is working fine. The medium setting, but see, this is how it get crash. So the recommended is low only, as I can tell. because 15 frames per second, 10, 20 is not playable at all. So yeah, this is about the gameplay of Battleground. Now, if I close that one, that will go off. Okay. So now it's time to open Genshin Impact. Also, I'm just requesting some users that techie guys or else a nerd, whoever is just playing around with the custom ROMs and kernel, especially with this device. Okay, so whoever is connected with the developer or anyone is having any. It's not like a new version or latest version, whichever it is. It is a new, either new or old, whatever. Um, Whoever know the combination of the custom ROM, recovery and custom kernel, which works fine for gaming, just let me know. It will be helpful for me, especially in making any upcoming content. Um, so yeah, if you know any best custom ROM, which version and which kernel it supports and which kernel works better with that ROM, just let me know. Okay. I don't know, nobody tells that, but if anyone knows, anyone interested, can tell me. Anyone knows that, you can tell me. So right after this loading page, it is 8 frames, which is not a good indication, but we'll wait and check that. Now it's 1 frame. Okay, so we are right now in the screen. It is 20 FPS and just crashing. Not that is not good indication. We'll just first check which settings it has. I just keep this one. Pyman. It is low. I will put it in lowest. Smooth, okay? Lowest so that it will be smooth. But I don't think it is smooth now. I need at least 30 plus FPS so that the game looks good. Here, I don't think. See? This is the situation. Even in the lowest, it is not playable. It's getting better. Some glitches, see this is the gameplay. Okay, so I'm not much impressed with this, but we'll check it with higher graphics, bit higher. Okay, low, maybe medium. Okay, we just overclock the processor. Okay, it is 24. So map and all 30 FPS, sharp 30 FPS we are having in the map. So yeah, Actually, what I'm feeling is earlier, few minutes back, few hours back, I just recorded a gaming review for a Realme pad. So that time also, the lower settings or lowest settings are not good. The graphics also worst, and the performance is garbage. But when I try with the medium setting or higher, actually the gaming's performance is actually well. See here also you can see same situation happening. The lower setting was having issues, but when we try with the higher settings, it is working. What kind of this the thing is this? I don't know. It's actually now it's good. See here and there the little bit glitches is there, but overall it is fine in my opinion. Better than the lowest setting. So we'll just try with the higher setting. I don't know. This guys not optimizing the lowest settings, the and optimizing the medium or higher setting. The frame is little bit reduced. Earlier it was 22, 23, 24. Now it is 18, 20. But it is doesn't have much glitch. Okay, it's a little bit flow only. In the flow only it is. It is in the flow. I don't know how the my gaming review is going. See, you can see clearly see in your eyes. She will now die, I believe. Okay, so the graphics is fine. Okay, this game is playable as far as my understanding. So that's what about this quick gaming video. So see now it is brown color. If I put here, it is green cement color. It is actually good. So yeah, that's what about this video. So I know you guys are waiting for the review, so it will be soon in the channel. Thank you for watching. Kourmatu.